A reward for hard work, diligence, and perseverance to the cause of service to humanity dominates activities at the 166th Executive Council meeting of Governor Doye Diri's administration in Bayelsa State. First is the recognition of a police officer, Superintendent Sentomi Obi, who rejected a bribe amounting to the sum of $17,000. Recall that on December 2024, a case of fraud was cracked by the Cybercrime Unit of Zone 16 Police Command in Rivers State, led by SP Sentomi Obi, where the suspects offered a bribe of $17,000, which the police officer rejected. An elected Bayelsa governor rewards the officer for the act of professionalism and fidelity.
And I've done this so that other police officers will also take a cue from their colleague, SP Sentomi Obi. Here is a young Bayelsan in his place of duty, proving his character. And let Sentomi Obi be one of those that Bayelsa youths will emulate. You are hereby rewarded with a 3-bedroom flat to be built by the Bayelsa State government for you, and also with a car that will befit your captain.
A man of integrity and well deployed with great attitude and ambience to ensure that he found places of comfort for people that police behaviors injured.